let's see how to make the image move in Canva. And for your information, why do people make images move in Canva? It's because it enhances visual appeal and adding motion makes design more engaging and eye-catching. Also, for their social media content, creating animated posts, ads, or stories for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok is a engaging content. So, here's how to do it. Just pick or select an image you wanted to animate or you wanted to move. So, for example, I wanted this logo to move. So, I will just click the animate button on this field. So, after clicking the animate button, I will just simply pick some of the options here. Like, for example, this one. Also, you can adjust its speed. Yeah, the intensity. As well as having this one. Rotate, add on effects. Like that. And the best part is you can custom the animation. Basically, provided by the CapCut Pro, I guess. So after you click it, you just have to drag whether you wanted the logo to be moved. For example, like this, and I'm moving around. So as you can see, the logo is now moving around. So that's how you make the image move in Canva. See you soon!